Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to record calls on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to record calls on your Samsung phone when you have an incoming call, all you simply need to do is go ahead and pick up the call. Then, locate and click on the call recording button. Then should say call recording, and the other user at the other end will be notified that this call is being recorded. Now, once you are done, the call recording is going to be saved on your internal or external storage. However, to automatically record your calls on your Samsung, all you need to do is click on the phone app, click on the three dots at top right, click on settings, click on record calls, turn on auto call records. Now exit the page. When next you have an incoming call on your Samsung phone and you pick up the call, then you should see the call recording start automatically. And that is it. So that's exactly how to record calls on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.